Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. My Space Secrets here on this Friday, 7th of May 2010. Now, what a drama-filled couple of days. I mean, a lot of our members have been talking to us, a lot of people emailing, a lot of people talking about the drama with the market, especially in the last day or so. If you remember a few videos back, our iMafia software was actually telling us warning us that some sort of a sell-off was coming. And just look what has happened over the last 24 hours. So, a big pat on the back goes to our iMafia software. A lot of time, a lot of development, and a lot of money have gone into this piece of software. So it just goes to show you how good this is. Now, in the last 24 hours, a massive, big drop, historical drop has occurred on the market. And it's sending echo waves across the world. But, yesterday in the afternoon, the Dow had dropped 1,000 points in the space of about 40 minutes. It has recovered a little, I know, but it's one of the biggest drops in the market since 1987. 1987, amazing. And I know they're blaming it on electronics and an idiot trader who allegedly pushed the wrong button, but I don't really buy that. The markets have gone up here, people, for well over a year. And the markets, after a series of spaces up or runs higher, is supposed to correct. And I must tell you that I have not seen this sort of action in all of my 11 years on the market as a trader and watching many charts. But just look what is in the headlines at the moment, like we have been explaining since video number 1 here. Was it caused by the currency turmoil in the euro, the debt crisis in Greece, or the elections over in England at the moment? Who knows? But, has Greece got enough money to fix this problem? Or will it only be a matter of time before Greece defaults altogether? But like I said, markets are meant to go up, markets are meant to come down. Obviously, you're seeing the latter part of that at the moment. And I remember a long time ago discussing about, and in our newsletter, about a currency crisis that could be coming. And look what's happening with the euro. But not only what's happening in the euro, at the moment in the world, in the local economies, in the global economies, there's huge imbalances in the world at the moment. And there are people that are going to pay for this and suffer. The market has ignored this stuff for a year or so, people. But now we are seeing some selling pressure come back in. And as I'm looking now, the market is still down about 2.5% to 3%. Asia's selling off, and as Europe is in pre-trading, it doesn't look good over there. Is it a panic sell-off? Well, I probably wouldn't call it that, but how far will it go down is anyone's guess. If this is a bit of a correction here, if it goes down 10% or 20%, the markets definitely don't like uncertainty, and the markets like to know what's going on. If there is any sort of flight to safety here, I can say that there's a lot of positive action in gold and silver, but a lot of people have been asking me now, is now the right time to get into gold? But, look, I've been in gold for many, many years, and gold is around now, especially yesterday's trading, is at around all-time highs. And, something makes me a little cautious and seems to be not a very smart move to be buying something at all-time highs. And, people, if we have a lot more economic problems, and I assure you that we will, and the government does the disastrous thing of print more money, the refuge will be to foreign assets. But for now, I'm just sending this out, this little I Am video, and telling people just to be careful. You need to cut back because we can see that there's more currency problems coming. It's not the end to all this. And we are not out of the woods economically speaking, or in our current economic situation. Anyway, probably just a time to reflect and sit back and watch what happens here. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to check out our site, which is www.forecastfortomorrow.com. My Space Secrets. Have a lovely day, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Okay, ciao.